hey, yo, yo. Yeah. Church of the Bay. Hey. Hey. Drop, 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 drop. Hey. Drop, 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 drop.
This is so dope. This is so dope.
That's it. That's all we get.
Hey, that's it. One egg. One egg. We'll take that one.
If you're ready, let me hear you make some noise.
We all belong, I feel like home when we all move on. Multi-gen, yeah, we side by side. Every culture, yeah, we unified. Look like heaven when we all align. One guy lifted, yeah, we on that time. Drop, 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 drop.
We ready to go. You can go ahead and drop.
Now we live free, yeah, we been made whole. Real love move through the whole city. Every life touch, yeah, get real litty. Not just words, yeah, we walk that out. You can feel that shit when we come around. One people, one place, all together, one faith, real church, real life, yeah, we living that right.
Send them on. They can come get them. Go, go, go.
One people, one place, all together, one faith, real church.
Let's go, Dre.
Man, that was so big. Oh my God. That was so dope, bro. Oh my God.
Thank goodness it ain't that wet out here.
Right. That was so dope. Oh my God. That was so dope. Immediately. Immediately. Oh my God. That was so dope.
Pastor Drew, how did you feel about that Easter egg drop?
That was dope. That was the dopest thing I've ever seen in my life. I've never seen nothing like it in my whole entire life. 51 years of living. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Oh, 51, never. 10 out of 10. All right.